Hey everyone, it's Lacey with Living with Lacey. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me here today. As you can see, I have my monthly subscription box from Cloth and Paper, and y'all, I think I only saw one sneak peek. That's important. It's very important. I try not to look at the sneak peeks, but I've seen one. And so, yeah, I'm ready to get into it. I'm so excited when this box comes in, y'all. And you know what? For $38 a month, it stops me from spending so much money on planner supplies. So, you know, if you haven't tried it yet, I'm not an ambassador for Cloth and Paper, but I do feel that they have great quality, and I'm going to continue to support them. So if you haven't tried it, I suggest that you just give it a try for 1 month for $38 and let me know what you think about it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing I love about this subscription box is actually the box itself. I love the packaging. I feel like they take a lot of care in making sure that your luxury stationery supplies come packed luxurious as well. So Cloth and Paper gives you a box that says a card that tells you what's inside, and then they actually give you pictures on the back so you know what everything is. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right here to the side. All right, I'm gonna say put this at the bottom. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna try to pull this down just a little bit so it's close enough for you to see. All right, so the first thing that we have is a reflection journaling prompts. So we have monthly, and on the monthly it says, how do you feel about this past month? Reflect on the highs and lows and how you grew from them. 2, list a few notable events that happened this month and your reactions to them. Are you satisfied with how you reacted? 3, list some things you've learned this month. How can these be applied to your life? What do you want to learn next month? 4, did you accomplish any of your goals this month? Have you made progress on the others? What goals do you have for the upcoming month? And how can you prepare to meet these goals? And then there's a weekly reflection journaling prompt. 1, did you have a productive week? How can you improve? 2, did you find some time to relax this week? If not, how can you make sure you find time next week? 3, was there something you intended to do but couldn't find time for? How can you make time this week? 4, what were some of the highs and lows of the week? How did you respond to these moments? Is there something that's been bothering you this week? How can you address this? And then there's a daily one. 1, how can you appreciate yourself today? 2, what is the best thing that happened today? How did it make you feel? 3, what's one thing that you accomplished today that you're proud of? 4, was today a good day? Why or why not? And how can you improve in the future? And 5, what's one thing you did today that you can improve on, and how? Y'all, this is great. This is great. So I'm taking that just from reading this, that maybe this box is about being mindful. I'm thinking, let's see. Ooh, yeah. All right. Next, I'm gonna leave that right there. So we have some dashboards, which are what? Oh man, y'all, I think this is the first time. Let me get rid of this. I think this is the first time we have received, usually they're white on the back. What? I love double-sided with this B. Belief precedes success. And this says, believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you can imagine. Y'all, I'm telling you, hands down, this is why I love Cloth and Paper so much. It is so inspiring, just inspirational month after month. And can you imagine just opening up your planner to this that says believe in yourself? And look at that, it's double-sided. I love it. The dashboard. It said, did someone say editorial? Our purpose and belief dashboards pair beautifully with one another, creating the perfect magazine style spread. Okay. Oh. All right. And the next dashboard is purpose. And this is the same. Yeah, but it's just different. Purpose. We won't be distracted by comparison if we are captivated with purpose. And then on the back, something from Bob Goff. I love that it's on both sides. I love that. So we have 2 dashboards. Okay, and they are considering, I guess they're considering, yeah, this is about, these prompts help you practice mindful thinking in your day-to-day life. These half dashboards feature prompts for daily, weekly, and monthly reflection. So these are hard cardstock. You can hear this, and this is just cardstock for all right. So that is our dashboards. So next, we usually get a couple of inserts. This is mental wellness. So let's see. So this is a grid. It says, give yourself space to slow down. Use our mental wellness inserts to keep track of your inner wellness. These inserts allow you to keep your daily affirmations, mindful intentions, and free thoughts all in one place. So basically, even the reflection journaling prompts, you can actually write them on here. This is great. So positive affirmations, mindful intentions, and then free thoughts. This is great. This is great. I love this. Okay. And then next we have, this has to be for November. And she's giving us the whole year for our horizontal weekly sheets. If you have not tried these yet, check out some of my previous YouTube channels. I love, and I mean really do love these horizontal weekly sheets. I was getting them for my mini, and then I decided to return back and give my my thick planner some more love. So it has a grid over here. I usually write things down and use it as a check marks. Or I can just check off things like a to-do list. And then these are like the big items that I have going on. They have a memo, priorities next week, and then a calendar. So I have a couple of videos on my channel using these. Okay, next. Oh, what is this? Okay, this is a 30-day journal. Let me stop making all this noise so y'all can hear. This is a 30-day journal. It says our 30-day journal will be a meaningful addition to your daily routine. Take a few minutes each morning to fill out the morning prompts we provided you to start each day strong. Finish the day with our evening prompts to reflect on your day and prepare you for the next day. The practice of maintaining a non-judgmental state of heightened or complete awareness of one's thoughts, emotions, or experiences on a moment-to-moment basis. So this is basically dealing with being mindful. So when you open it up, it asks you to record your day. Record your day with ease using this 30-day journal. Monthly expectations in the next 30 days, I will. My word of the month is things I'm looking forward to, things I want to learn. How can I make the most out of this book? What can I do to achieve my goals? And then in the morning, this is 30 days worth. This morning, I'm feeling. My word of the day is because today I'm grateful for things that help accomplish my goal. And then this evening, I'm feeling. Today I accomplished. What can I improve on to make tomorrow's better? Oh, wow. I love this. I really do love this. I think it's so good, especially in this day and time. People are going through things, y'all. And to be able just to sit back and reflect on what's happening in your life and and really being mindful of where you are, who you are. It's just important. All right, so now we have a half sticky note set. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is the sneak peek I saw, and I'm happy. And let me tell you why. I have tried to use the, I have a half letter, and I've tried to use the tracker. The tracker has like four trackers on it, and then on the back it's got 4 more. Y'all, it's just so tedious for me. I just haven't been successful. So when I saw these, I think this is gonna work for me. I think this is something small that I can put right on my monthly, like at the bottom of my monthly, and then just track how everything is going for the day. So this is like a mood tracker. And I'm gonna tell you this, you can change this if you want to into something else, because I was also thinking about putting a sticker over this and tracking for something else. Like, did I drink my water every day? Did I go exercise so many times a week? So you don't have to necessarily use it for your mood, but you can actually use this for anything. So you'll see this in my planner, because there's some things I need to track. And so, okay. I'm over here trying to read what everything is. So journaling cards, we have, first of all, our November, this little opaque card. I believe so, that it's matte. Oh, no. It peels. I know some of y'all were just sitting there saying, Lacey, it peels. It does peel. I can just see the ripple. I'm not going to peel it right now. But this is for November. And then we have a journaling card that says, take a break, you deserve it. Y'all, come on. I know some of y'all need that. Another card, this really looks like it's made of vellum. It says, I can be and still. I can be strong and still be soft. I can be independent and still need support. I can be grieving and still find joy. I can be direct and still be kind. I can be a leader and still need guidance. I can be understanding and still have boundaries. I can be creative and still need inspiration. I can be a listener and still have a voice. Ooh, yes, y'all. Yeah. And then we have our cardstock November, and then a journaling card by Leonardo da Vinci about wisdom, because I see wisdom on here. Oh, wow. Hey, this one, every time I get one of these boxes, I'm like, this is one of the best boxes I've seen, every single time. So we have, I just want to go back through it again. We have a mindful book. We have dashboards, 2 full dashboards, and then we have daily, weekly, and a monthly dashboard. We also have these positive affirmation and intentions layout, and then you have a November layout, the half sticky note mood tracker, journaling cards, take a break, and wisdom, November, and then another card. Y'all, Tell me what you think about it. I want to know what you think. Tell me, have you gotten your box? I want to know how you're going to use this. You know, some of these things I would love to put in a video, but they are so personal, right? And so as you really, like I say, get to know yourself and you know, think about where you are in life and, you know, where you're going, that some of these things are they're just personal. So yeah, but stay tuned on how I think I'm going to maybe make a mindful section in my planner, y'all. So I tried to maybe have a separate planner for journaling, and it's not working for me. I thought it was going to. It's not working for me. I think I'm just a one planner girl now, and I'm just going to put everything in there. Also, and I'm really a two planner girl because I have my mini goes everywhere with me, but it's just not working for me to have multiple planners anymore. So I'm just going to make new sections in my planner. All right, thank you so much for joining me, guys. Once again, let me know what you think about this box and this mindfulness. Let me know if you get a subscription or if you don't, or if you're thinking about it. Yeah, this is amazing. It's amazing. So anyway, thank you again. Hey, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new here. Come on and join this family, and click on that notification bell for more videos to come. All right, take charge of your life one plan at a time. Have a great week.